But the biggest news for this week is I have to give some flowers, some trophies to the Reggae Boys.
The Reggae Boys, yes,
Beating
man.
Canada for the first time, on Canadian
On
soil.
Canadian soil, man.
Qualifying for the Copa America.
Next year.
The best thing about that is I'm in a country where everyone, the English, the Germans that are coming to treat the Spanish, they all can speak proudly about their football team.
I have another reason to speak proudly about the Jamaican football team.
Exactly.
Hats off to them.
Big up.
Big up.
Flowers,
They
everything.
did their work.
Well done.
Well done. Well played.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, man.
Proud. Very proud. Very, very proud.
Definitely.
Very, very proud. And to be honest, like, the World Cup is next. Copa America.
Yeah.
Win that. Beat up Argentina and all of them. We can do it.
We can do it.
We can do it. Now is the
We can show
time.
them we are capable.
Now is the time.